change your Instagram password if you have forget it. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Instagram and here you have to click into your profile. Now you have to click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner and you have to go in the settings and the privacy. Now you have to click on the account center and from here you have to go in the password and security. And as you can see that here in the option of the login and recovery you have to click on the change password. Now you have to choose an account to make the changes and simply select your Instagram account. Now as you can see that here is the option to change the password, but if you forget your previous password for recovery you have to click on this forgotten your password, and once you click on it you have the option to recover it from your email and the phone number. Now if you go back and you have to go into your personal details and here you have the option to recover your account by using your phone number or your email address. So you have the code and you have to just enter the code and you are able to recover it. So this is how you can change the Instagram password if you have forgotten it. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.